Hello everybody, welcome back. As well, we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use M&S gift card online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first, access your particular browser on your mobile phone and go to search bar and simply type in M&S and go to this official website of theirs and simply tap on this sign in option on top and enter a particular email over here and add in your password and tap on this sign in and get signed in, right? And then afterwards you're going to tap on this card option. Let's say you have this particular product that you would like to purchase. You're going to tap on that and tap on this add to bag option over here, and once you're hitting this add to bag option, tap on this checkout option afterwards. And here in this section you're going to find this kind of interface, right? You're going to find all kind of information regarding your product, and here in this section you're going to tap on see next step. Once you've tapped on see next step, you're going to find this option called add a gift card message to this item. This is for that like gift well option. Once you have tapped on apply, your gift card amount will be applied. You will successfully be able to apply that gift card amount to redeem that gift card amount over here in this M&S, and you can scroll down to the bottom and choose your ways to pay, how you would like to pay for it. And once you're done, tap on this see next step over here, and then simply sign in if you haven't yet, and check out your address for you, and that way you'll be able to get yourself product and redeem your gift card just like that. That is where you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.